Hello friend. So how are you? I hope you will be good. So today again I have come with a new video. How to make a star, an earth type figure. So how to make. So I am Amarjeet and now we are watching expert coding. So today I tell you how to make. You can very easily make this type figure. So let's go on desktop screen. So open your notepad. Open your notepad and here write from turtle import. From turtle import and here write speed 10. Only I give 10 speed. Hit enter. So color I give cyan. Color I give cyan and hit enter. And now I am giving background color. Background color black. So I give here black and how much size of ball, how much size of a star. So I give 210. Give 210. I put it here while. I put it here while B 0 and hit enter. In here write left B and again here write forward 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 B into 3. Give B into 3 and hit enter. Here write B is equal to B minus B hyphen 3 and I give only one I make start. So my program is completed. So now I'm going to save the program. So let's desktop and here save a star.py and hit enter. And now open one prompt and here write cd desktop, hit enter and here write python star file name dot py and hit enter. And now start. So looking is very beautiful and making it fastly. So figure is very beautiful like earth and space. So I hope you are understood. So thank you. If you good or bad my video, so you say in comment box. Thank you friends.